Hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Annette.
And this is our Chase for Adventure.
1, 2, 3.
What was that, Annette? You having a little trouble?
This is really slippery and the water is very powerful. And this is really deep.
You know, just a casual day chilling in a waterfall.
It's that.
For my birthday.
I love it here. I wish I had waterfalls everywhere.
Right.
This is actually, though, the first waterfall I've ever seen in person. And so I'm really excited. And we've been able to go cliff jumping. And I can just do little... Time to get out.
Get it, baby.
Because rock climbing's the best. Do something that scares you every single day. Like this. This is so slippery. Do not attempt to do this without a savvy friend because you will die. Going up the waterfall. This is so deep. It is so deep.
It's not deep.
Huh?
Not deep.
Not deep.
Do it.
You see what I'm saying?
I don't reach. Like this. And your hands like this. Don't open. And go down. Yep.
Get it, baby.
Slip.
Woo!
Fantastic.
Are you okay?
And that was the waterfall.